Everyone. I'm sorry that the view is smaller because of I'm using my phone. My laptop is off. So today we'll be discussing on 9 AI tools for efficient organizational works. We'll be listing 9 AI tools and also stating its usage for companies and how it helps company to I would like how it's help company work to be very, very effective. So these AI tools can help team across different roles, and it also make the roles become more productive, creative, and organized. So the first AI tool we're talking about now is ChatGPT. I hope everyone can see my screen clearly, or do I need to expand it?
I can see it clearly.
All right. So the first AI tools here is ChatGPT, which is the open AI. And what it is used for, okay, let me just explain the whole summary. Okay, so ChatGPT is a conversational AI assistant capable of generating human-like text response, answering questions, and completing a wide range of text-based tasks. And if you can remember, in the last training that I took, I actually gave a note, or would I call it like a summary or an explanation on ChatGPT, it uses, and how to work with the prompt. So it's now I'm going to tell you that ChatGPT is one of the AI tools that can be used in a company or in an organization. And the uses that we have is, one is to draft vision statements, reports, then investors communication and summarize industry news. And also it can be used to write emails, manage meeting notes, generate travel itineraries. Then also it can also be used to draft internal memos, format documents, create templates. And ChatGPT can also be used for pitch drafts, writing proposals, competitors research, and it also helps to understand tasks, draft letter, or a simple communication, like just to know the weather condition, or to know what is trending on the news, things like that. And also used to learn concepts, explain terms like maybe want to find definition of a big word, and just ask ChatGPT. And also it can be used to prepare for exams or interviews. If you're having interview, you're looking for an external exam or internal exam, and just go to ChatGPT and just give it the right prompt, just like it's always do. Then the second AI tool is Notion AI. Notion AI is an AI powered workspace for notes, project management, task tracking, and documentation. The Notion AI works is just to give notes, project management, task tracking, and documentation. Normally, with the Flowealth Academy, we do our task tracking with Excel sheets. We do our documentation on Excel sheet or a Word document or a PDF file. But with the help of Notion AI, you can actually use it for a project management, task tracking, and documentation. And its uses is that it centralizes strategic plans, product idea, team updates, and also can be used to maintain executive calendars, dashboard, and to-do list. If you have a list of things you want to do, you can just give it to Notion AI. It's going to do the work for you perfectly. They also can be used to create and manage templates for weekly reports or team tasks, and also can be used to maintain CRM, client follow-up, and action trackers. And also it can be used to create tasks, timeline, take notes, and doing training. Instead of us to be cracking our head thinking of how to assign tasks or how to give tasks and timeline, other things, Notion AI will actually make that work perfect for you. And it can also be used to document research, learning notes, and track certificates prep. Then the third AI we're talking about now is Grammarly. I know that if you actually conversant on Facebook, if let's say you're actually on Facebook, there's always an ad that comes out each time you want to watch a video or something, or on YouTube, you hear the word Grammarly. So Grammarly AI is an AI writing tool. It's for AI. It's AI writing assistant that checks grammar tone, that checks grammar, tone, clarity, and style in real time. you might want to present, or you might want to write a letter. Maybe the way you present it is not actually okay. You can just give it to Grammarly AI. It's going to correct any error or any grammar that's not actually correct. So the uses is that it's polished speech, strategic memos, and also draft formal letter, announcements, meeting summaries, and also ensure clarity in client proposal, sales, then also, sorry, and sales email. It ensure clarity in client proposals and sales email. Then also improve communication quality, then also write clear technical content or reports. So another AI tools, which is the first one, which Canva. I know that some persons actually work with designs, flyers, social media content creator, which are conversant with Canva. So Canva is another AI tools that can be used in an organization, and is a graphic design tools with AI features that help create visuals, presentation, and social media content. Social media content for Facebook, TikTok, YouTube, you can just name it. Canva actually have it with the right size, with the right information, with the right design, and it's actually used for presentation and vision deck. It's used to design announcements, invitation, and newsletter. We have a template on Canva. I can just work with and just create, design your invitation or newsletter. And also, it can be used to design sales deck or pitch materials, and also can be used for social media posts or awareness flyers. Then also can also be used for infographics for study materials or presentation, which is, and if you are competent with that, you see that there's a point for infographics. Then another AI tools is Otter AI. Otter AI is an AI meeting assistant that transcribes and summarizes meeting in AI times. The uses is that it reviews meeting summary without attending every section, without missing every section, and it also take accurate meetings, send follow-up. So instead of you to be writing meetings or just follow, you can just go and sign up for your Otter AI, and it's going to take accurate meetings and send follow-up also. Then it's also record client call and extract action items, which are the important items. Then it's also capture training section or team meeting. If we're having a team meeting, we can just make use of Otter AI and just let it capture our training section and every team meetings details. Then also to record and review lecture technical briefing. Then another AI tool is Trello. We have Trello with automation, which is the Butler AI. The Trello is a task management tool enhanced by the AI automation to streamline workflow. And the uses is that it track companies worldwide initiative, it manage team tasks, workflow, automation, automate repetitive admin workflow. It also can be used for a sales funnel tracking, and it can also be used to monitor event planning or outreach tasks, and it can also be used to organize learning plan or project timeline. Some of these I would like call it, some of these AI tools actually have the same features. If you cannot use the Trello, you should use the Otter AI, you should use the Grammarly AI. So every AI has their different areas that they're actually good at. Then we have another one, which is the Firefly AI. The Firefly AI is an AI powered meeting assistant that records, transcribe, and analyze voice conversation from meetings. And the use is that it's used in the organization to keep track of decision points in leadership meetings. It can be used to summarize meetings and generate follow-up tasks. It can also be used to store meeting notes and organize agendas. It can be used to track conversations with clients and partners also, and it can also be used to listen back to meetings for missed period. Maybe you've already recorded it already. You can just listen, go back to it and do a playback, which is to listen back to the meetings for missed period. And you can also use the transcription for group project discussion or technical seminars. Then another AI, we have Lume 5 AI. is a video creation platform that uses AI to turn written content into engaging content. Lumify actually creates, this one is just for this one. I think this Lumify should be for the social media or the content creators, whereby it actually used to turn a written content or a written script into an engaging video, and uses that it creates a quick vision updates video or internal announcement, and also converts a blog post into team or client facing video updates, or produce video ads or explanation for pitch, which means that it actually gives stock footage. I would like a stock footage, which is to produce the video. So once you give a stock footage about your meeting, usually come in a video art form. Then also makes awareness for campaign videos. Then it can also be used to turn technical blog posts or note into educational videos. Then the last one is the copy AI. The copy AI is an AI writing tool that help generate marketing copy, product description, social media caption, and many more. Then the uses is that it can be used to draft compelling company bio or brand messages. If you want not only a company bio, maybe on a social media bio, you want to create a social media bio, you can just use the copy AI. And also can be used to create email subject line, reminders, and notice. Then also can be used to write sales copy, ads, and also code email. Then also it can still be used to create event promotion or a fundraising blob. Yeah, blob, right? And also can be used for writing technical summaries and engaging in security tips. So I have listed 9 AI tools. There are still many more. There are still many more AIs that can be used, but this is just the few that I could pick out for the organization, because we have a Gamma AI. We also have a Gamma AI. We also have Leonardo. We have many AI for image generation, and the rest. So in conclusion, these AI tools that I listed already, they have their futures and they have what they can be used for. And the important thing is that they actually help us save time if we make use of it. They actually help us to reduce error, just like the Grammarly AI. The Grammarly AI is used to like reduce errors or reduce grammars or spelling. So not like reduce, but correct grammars or correct errors, English errors. They also can be used to improve communication, can also be used to streamline collaboration, and it can also be used to enhance productivity across all levels of organization. If you're having from the CEO to the executive to the admin to the different levels in an organization, it can help to enhance productivity and make work faster. That's all. So any question, please, on the 9 AI tools that was listed here?
I have a question.
All right, I'm with you.
These AI tools that you listed, are there any ones that are free that don't have to be making any payment?
Yes, it's not actually every AI tool that are paid, or there's not every AI tool that is free. We have the paid one and we have the free version. We have the paid version and we have the free versions. Like the ChatGPT now, you can actually make your ChatGPT without making payment. Just that it's not gonna give like an advance. Like I don't know, like there are some features that you cannot use the ChatGPT to do. Like normally, if it's a paid ChatGPT, you can actually attach a file and tell it to look into the file you just attach, and tell it to like give